Every AI coding tool locks you into one company's model. You pay their prices, follow their rules, and when they go down, you're stuck. OpenCode just broke that, and 172,000 developers started on GitHub in weeks. OpenCode is a free open-source AI coding agent that runs right in your terminal. No IDE required, no subscriptions. It connects to over 75 different AI model providers: Claude, GPT, Gemini, Grok, or fully local models through Ollama, and uses whichever you point it at. Think of it as Claude code, but you own it, and you're not tied to a single provider. It crossed 172,000 GitHub stars and 7 million monthly active developers in under 6 months. That doesn't happen unless something actually works. Here are the 3 features that make OpenCode different from everything else out there. Feature 1. 75+ model providers. OpenCode isn't locked to any one AI company. It connects to over 75 providers: Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Mistral, Grok, and more. You can even run it entirely offline with Ollama or LM Studio. That means no API data leaving your machine, zero. For teams with strict data policies, this alone makes it the only viable option. Feature 2. Language Server Protocol Integration. This is what separates OpenCode from most terminal agents. It plugs into your language server, so it actually sees your code the way a compiler does. Real-type information, live diagnostics, function signatures, import paths. It works for TypeScript, Python, Rust, Go, Java, and 18 more languages. When OpenCode refactors your code, it knows if it broke something before you do. Feature 3. Parallel multi-agent sessions. You can run multiple OpenCode agents at the same time on the same project. One agent researches the codebase, one writes the implementation, one writes the tests. It also connects to MCP servers, GitHub, PostgreSQL, Slack, custom tools, giving it real context about your entire workflow, not just your code files. Getting started takes about 2 minutes. Install it with npm. Just run npm install-g opencode-ai. Then navigate to any project folder and type OpenCode. You'll be prompted to connect a model provider. If you want free and private, type Ollama and run it locally. If you want maximum power, paste in a Claude or GPT API key. From there, you chat with it like a senior engineer. Tell it what you want built or fixed, and it reads your codebase, writes the changes, and shows you diffs before applying anything. It won't touch your files without confirmation. There's a free open-source version with no usage limits. You only pay your model provider's API costs, which on local models is exactly 0. OpenCode is made for developers who are tired of being locked into one AI vendor, anyone building in privacy-sensitive environments, and teams that need parallel agents running across large codebases. If you're a solo developer on a budget, run it with Ollama for free. If you're at a company that can't send code to third-party APIs, this is your answer. The trade-off. It's slower than Claude code on the same model, and it's terminal only. No IDE interface, no inline completions. But for raw power and freedom, nothing else comes close right now. OpenCode just changed the rules for AI coding, and it's completely free. Follow Patapo AI. We post the AI tools that actually matter every single day.